Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the undo button when recording Instagram Reels so you can easily fix mistakes without starting over. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and go to the Reels camera. So from here, you want to start recording your Reel by pressing the record button. Now, if you make a mistake while recording multiple segments, all you have to do is simply tap the undo button, which looks like this one. It's a simple button, says undo. So when you do this, this will remove the last recorded segment without affecting the rest of your reel. So choose this card. As you can see, it removes the latest segment. So let me do that again. There we go. Now you can use the undo button multiple times to delete previous clips one by one, giving you more control over your final video. And after making adjustments, continue recording or editing your reel as usual. And basically that's it. The undo button is super handy for perfecting your Instagram reels without having to start your entire recording. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!